Hello, everybody. Today I will be explaining the different organelles in a cell and their many purposes. First is mitochondria. is mitochondria. These sausage-shaped organelles are used to help manage protein and transport it from dead ones to new live ones. Now, the cell membrane is what protects the cell and controls what goes in and out of it. And then we have the famous vacuoles. The vacuoles are responsible for transporting food and water in and out of the cell. This is done so that the cell can continue to thrive and survive in the body. And then you have the rough endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is like a network of tubes, like a maze of flattened bags and tubes that helps to transport the messages from the nucleus throughout the cell. Now, the nucleus is at the center of the cell. It's like the control center. So let's say you have a spaceship. The nucleus is the control center in the middle of that spaceship. So what the nucleus does is it controls all of the other cells' activities. And then we have the and then we have lipid fat. Although it's not really an organelle, it is a very important part in the organ. In the cell because it strengthens the cell membrane and it helps it to be strong to protect it from bacteria or anything that might want to damage or harm the cell. And now we have the vesicle. This bag takes food from the Golgi apparatus, which we'll talk about next. It takes food from the Golgi apparatus and transports it to the rough endoplasmic reticulum. All right, and then we have the Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus processes and packages food and stores them so that the vesicle that we just talked about can take it and transport it. Now the Golgi apparatus, think of it as a food packaging company. So if there's food, they're going to package it and process it so that the delivery truck, which is the vesicle, can take it to the other parts of the state or the cell. All right, now we're going to talk about the different types of cells. So we have fat cells, cone cells, epidermal cells, red blood cells, and nerve cells. The first we'll talk about is cone cells. They are in the eye to help reflect light so that the human eye can see. So think of it as a mirror. There are millions